Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today's topic is a crucial one that every teacher should be aware of: the distinction between academic standards and academic growth. When evaluators step into your classroom, they focus on two key elements: academic standard and academic growth. So let's understand the basic difference between these. Academic standard refers to a set of criteria or expectations that define the level of knowledge, skills, and understanding that students are expected to achieve at a particular grade level or an age level in a specific subject. These standards are typically established by educational authorities or institutions to ensure consistency and quality in education. Academic standards provide a framework for curriculum development, instructional planning, and assessment. For example, IGCSE or A levels is considered as academic standard. Academic growth, on the other hand, refers to the progress or improvement that students make in their learning over a period of time. It focuses on the individual student's development and advancement in knowledge, skills, and understanding. Academic growth is often measured through various assessments such as standardized tests, formative assessment, or teacher evaluations. Evaluators assess academic standards by measuring students' performance against specific criteria outlined in the curriculum, while academic growth is evaluated through the analysis of students' progress and development over time. This involves looking at performance assessments such as portfolios to gauge mastery of content or skills, as well as utilizing growth models to measure the amount of academic progress students make between 2 points in time. By focusing on both standards and growth, evaluators gain a comprehensive understanding of students' achievement and development, ultimately informing instructional practices and support strategies to enhance learning outcomes. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.